When you hear the phrase 3D animations, your mind might immediately go to Hollywood or to video games. But what about a scientific 3D animator? Our next guest founded Microverse Studios, which uses those animations to communicate and clarify cellular and molecular functions. Sounds like fascinating stuff. And we've got that animator and scientist joining us via Zoom this morning. Cameron Sladen is the CEO of Microverse Studio and has more to share. Good morning, Cameron. How are you?
Good morning, Todd. Great to talk to you.
Absolutely. This is some pretty fascinating stuff. What does it take to be a scientific animator versus, say, your run-of-the-mill animator?
Yeah, well, I'll tell you, it's a weird combination. It requires both a substantial interest in and talent for science, but it also requires a fair amount of we'll call it artistic flair and interest in understanding filmmaking and animation.
Okay.
So, for example, all of our animators at Microverse Studios are both scientists with advanced degrees and award-winning filmmakers, which is a pretty tall order. They're kind of like leprechauns trying to find them.
Yeah, yeah, it sounds like a unicorn. Trying to find somebody who has that specific skill set. And also, who uses your product? Who needs scientific animation?
Well, there's kind of two different types of audiences you can get. You can get where they're talking to patients and so forth, and you'll see a lot of that stuff on TV or on YouTube. But really, what we do is such deep science that it's really talking to scientists. And the folks that use our work tend to be biotech companies that have some kind of crazy technology they're trying to explain to venture capital groups, or maybe pharmaceutical companies who have a new drug that operates in a way that is kind of unfamiliar to the medical community, and they have to explain the science to the scientists.
So when we want to learn how these pills, these medicines work, you're the company that kind of spells it out for us in video format. So yeah, there are a lot of these types of studios out there. What sets you apart?
Well, there are some pretty great studios out there that kind of operate alongside us. But I think that one of the things that sets us apart is, number one, we're kind of small and a bit scrappy and nimble. So we tend to make ourselves available to groups that might not be able to afford the much larger pharmaceutical agencies that are out there. But I think another important thing is the fact that we bring such a strong aesthetic to bear on our work. And it's not just deeply scientifically accurate and well researched, but it's kind of, we bring a whole art form to the process.
Yeah, that's really where my mind was going too. This is a merging of art and science all together. I mean, to be able to take such complex things and put them in a way that, the layman can understand. That you really did I was looking through some of your videos, and you really did a lot of help during COVID-19. Can you talk about some of what you used your work for in that?
Sure. Well, there was in COVID there were all kinds of big questions that everybody had. One of the biggest was, when are we getting a vaccine? And we helped actually Wired Magazine create a brief animation that explained, what was going to go into the vaccine, what it took to do it. Because I don't know if you recall, but the vaccines that came out in record time, and they actually used completely new technology, which, in a way, COVID really advanced science as a result.
Yeah, there's some pretty amazing, and the aesthetic that you have really is kind of sets you apart, the way your videos actually look. But you have to see, I mean, you're dealing with groundbreaking stuff, so you've got to see some pretty crazy science. Do you see anything wild you can share?
I would say that the most insane science what stands out to me as being the craziest advancement in science today is the fact that all of this business you're hearing about generative AI with ChatGPT and Midjourney and DALL-E, where you can have it just write something for you and it reads like it was made by a person, or you can have it make an image that looks like it was made by an artist or something like that. scientists are able to do that with molecules, including proteins, genes, chemicals. And to give you an example, I was talking to one of our clients, and I was going to make an example of one of their proteins, and they said, "Well, do you have any protein that you would want to see?" And I said, "Yeah. How about a protein that breaks down microplastics?" We typed it in, boom, popped it out. So that's the kind of future that we have, where it's almost like Harry Potter, but for medicine and science. So it's an exciting time to be alive.
It's incredible. It's art at the molecular level. It's pretty fascinating, some of the images that we're seeing on our screen. If you may have a need, or maybe you're just curious, where can we find more information and maybe hire you?
Yeah. Well, microversestudios.com is our website. It's the best way to find us. You can follow us on LinkedIn as well. A little bit of Instagram. We're not all that active there, but microversestudios.com is a very information-dense website, and you'll find lots of great examples of our work.
I love this. Scientists and artists both doing the work at microversestudios.com. Cameron, thank you so much for the time this morning.
Thank you, Todd.
And for the info. Absolutely fascinating. We'll have all of those links, of course, at fox17morningmix.com as well.